Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Cardano and its valuations against Ethereum, and potentially how Cardano is shaping its chart against Ethereum for this cycle. If you like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, with Cardano, okay, I'm going to hide the lines here and the 20-week moving average. So, with Cardano, we have this chart, right? This is the structure that we're working with. What's interesting and something I was always looking forward to is that Cardano opened for trading, at least on Binance, November 27th, 2017, the week of November 27th. We did not see Cardano during the run up, right? Uh, I'll make a line here, November 2017, here. Okay, this is when Cardano was introduced. We do not know how Cardano would have reacted during this phase, okay? And I would argue that this is the phase that we're in, right? We're in the run up, we're in the midst of the bull market. I don't think we're at the market cycle top. So, we don't know for certain what Cardano would have done during that time. But we will soon. We're in the midst of that, and Cardano is now like trading during this period. So we're now shaping what Cardano will react against Ethereum in the midst of a bull market, not necessarily what would happen at the peak or in the bear market, right? Because all these moves here were in the bear market. This move here was during the blow off top, but we do not have what Cardano would have done against Ethereum during the bull cycle. And so we're seeing that happen right now. And what's interesting is that it's at a level that we don't normally see, right? I contended that Cardano could possibly come back down to this level, as a bullish scenario. It doesn't quite come back down to the accumulation zone during the bear markets, right? But rather a little bit higher. So it retains a little bit more value against Ethereum during a bull market, which would make sense, right? However, it could be a little higher up. It could. Remember, this was during a bear market, 2019 bear market. With that said, Cardano has been holding against Ethereum between these two levels. Okay, it's been in this area for the past 4 weeks, right? The first week being breaking down to this area, and then the following 3 weeks has been holding that area. We've been holding this line as support for the past 2 weeks. We keep on wicking down to it, but not going any further. And with that said, this could be where the new consolidation is against Cardano versus Ethereum. That is pretty bullish. And so, with that said, if it continues to move sideways here, then this might be the opportune time to buy more Cardano with your Ethereum, should you have the opportunity to do so. We could then see it rally up to this level, and then the big question is having Cardano come to this area here against Ethereum. However, we simply do not know. This portion of the cycle has never happened with Cardano, and we're seeing it being printed real time. So what's going to be interesting, I think, when we really think about the long run. So when the bull cycle is over, Bitcoin has its blow off top, let's say, all coins go crazy and then everything crashes down like it always does. Where does Cardano land? How will the period of, 2021 look like on the Cardano Ether chart? I'm fairly excited. It could look like, kind of like, hold on one second, I know exactly what to do. Or do I? Sorry. Here we go. Is it going to be on the likes of, where sorry, I'm trying to move this. There we go. So is it kind of like the sense that we move up and move sideways in this move and then come up and then when the blow off top comes, we come back down. Could be. That's something that's possible, where this upper bound region becomes the mainstay of Cardano during a bull cycle, and it's only during the bear market where we see Cardano versus Ether come down to these more favorable levels. That's entirely a possibility, but this is again all speculation, right? We won't know for sure until Cardano actually prints the candles for this time period. So something that's very interesting, especially when we see Cardano being very strong today, outpacing Bitcoin and Ethereum, as also the US dollar. um, on the back of Bitcoin falling down to the 20-week moving average. This is pretty nice. This shows pretty good confidence in Cardano. People are pretty confident in our Cardano, and even with a Bitcoin that's shaky at the 20-week moving average, with the kind of the illusion of a potential break past the 20-week moving average. Not saying that'll happen, but just saying that could be. Um, Even with all that going on, Cardano's still up is a good thing, I think. But that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.